Welcome to Healthy Skin Secrets channel. A complete skincare routine for dry and sensitive skin typically involves gentle and hydrating products that help restore moisture and protect the skin barrier. Here's a suggested routine. Cleanser. Use a mild, non-foaming cleanser specifically formulated for dry and sensitive skin. Look for ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid that provide hydration while cleansing. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip away natural oils. Toner. Opt for an alcohol-free toner that helps balance the skin's pH and adds an extra layer of hydration. Look for toners with soothing ingredients like rose water or chamomile extract. Moisturizer. Choose a rich, nourishing moisturizer that provides long-lasting hydration. Look for ingredients like ceramides, shea butter, or squalane to help replenish moisture and strengthen the skin barrier. Consider using a moisturizer with added antioxidants for added protection. Serum. Incorporate a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or vitamin B5. Serums help deliver concentrated moisture to the skin and can be applied before moisturizer to enhance hydration. Eye cream. Use a gentle eye cream specifically formulated for sensitive skin to address any dryness or fine lines around the eyes. Look for ingredients like peptides or ceramides to nourish and hydrate the delicate eye area. Sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Look for physical or mineral sunscreens with ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, which are less likely to cause irritation. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Weekly treatment. Consider incorporating a gentle exfoliating treatment once a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Look for chemical exfoliants like lactic acid or fruit enzymes rather than physical scrubs, which can be too harsh for sensitive skin. It's important to note that everyone's skin is unique, so it's recommended to patch test new products and consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional if you have specific concerns or allergies. If you have sensitive skin, it's important to take some precautions to prevent irritation and maintain the health of your skin. Here are some tips. Patch test new products. Before applying a new skincare product to your entire face, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin. Apply a small amount of the product and wait for 24 to 48 hours to see if any adverse reactions occur. This will help you determine if the product is suitable for your sensitive skin. Read product labels. Pay close attention to the ingredients listed on skincare products. Avoid products that contain potential irritants such as fragrances, alcohol, sulfates, artificial colors, and harsh chemicals. Look for products labeled hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, or suitable for sensitive skin. Gentle cleansing. Use a mild, non-foaming cleanser that is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Avoid using hot water and harsh cleansers that can strip away natural oils and disrupt the skin barrier. Pat your skin dry instead of rubbing it vigorously. Be cautious with exfoliation. If you have sensitive skin, be careful with exfoliation. Avoid harsh physical scrubs that can cause micro tears in the skin. Instead, opt for gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, that help remove dead skin cells without causing irritation. Moisturize regularly. Keep your skin hydrated and moisturized to maintain a healthy skin barrier. Look for moisturizers that are fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Consider using moisturizers with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or aloe vera, which can help soothe and protect the skin. Protect from the sun. Sensitive skin can be more prone to sunburn and irritation. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before going outside. Look for mineral-based sunscreens that contain ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, as they are generally well tolerated by sensitive skin. Avoid harsh treatments. Be cautious with strong chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or other aggressive skincare treatments. These can potentially aggravate sensitive skin. If you want to undergo any professional treatments, consult with a dermatologist who can recommend suitable options for your skin type. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Proper hydration is important for maintaining healthy skin. Protect against environmental factors. Cold weather, wind, and pollution can irritate sensitive skin. Protect your skin by wearing a scarf, hat, or using a barrier cream when going outside in harsh weather conditions. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional if you have persistent skin issues or if you're uncertain about which products are suitable for your sensitive skin. They can provide personalized recommendations and guidance based on your specific needs. Here are some powerful affirmations for you to boost up your perfect skin confidence. My skin is beautiful and radiant. I deserve to have healthy and flawless skin. I am committed to taking care of my skin every day. I am grateful for my skin and treat it with love and respect. I attract positive energy that reflects in my clear and glowing skin. I nourish my skin with healthy habits and skincare products each day. My skin becomes healthier and more vibrant. I now release any negative thoughts about my skin and embrace its unique beauty. I am patient with my skin's journey and trust that it will improve over time. I am confident and comfortable in my own skin, knowing that it is perfect just the way it is.